Hello students, today we will start exercise 11.2 and it is based on area of parallelogram and area of triangle. So let's see first what are the formulas for area of parallelogram, that is base multiply height, and area of triangle is half multiply base multiply height. So here question number 1 we are given, find the area of each of the following parallelograms. Here we are given some figures of parallelograms and we are to find out area of these parallelograms. Let's see first part of question number 1. In the first part, here this 7 centimeter is given base and 4 centimeter is its corresponding height. So base we have 7 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So area is base multiply height. So base is 7 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So we will multiply 28 centimeter square is area of this parallelogram. Let's see D part. Here we have base 5 centimeter and height 4.8 centimeter. If this is the base, then this is the corresponding height. And area is equal to base multiply height. So we will multiply 5 centimeter by 4.8 centimeter. And it is equal to 24 centimeter square. Okay. And the other parts B, C and E parts, I hope you can try that yourself. Let's come to now question number 2. Find the area of each of the following triangles. Here in the A part we have 4 centimeter base and 3 centimeter the corresponding height. So area of triangle will be half multiply base multiply height, half multiply 4 centimeter multiply 3 centimeter. So if we simplify, it is equal to 6 centimeter square. In D part, it is an obtuse angle triangle. Therefore, this is its corresponding height to the base 3 centimeter. Height is 2 centimeter. So area is equal to half multiply 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. It is equal to 3 centimeter square. So it's a B and a C part. You will try yourself. In question number 3, find the missing values. So here we are given area of parallelograms and we need to find out base or height, whatever is missing. So let's see first A part. Here we are given base 20 centimeter and area 246 centimeter square. We need to find out height. So first we will write area equal to 246 centimeter square, and area formula we have, that is base multiply height, and we will put the value of base, it is 20 centimeter multiply height, and it is equal to 246. So we will simplify, height will be equal to 246 divided by 20. We will divide area by the base. So here if we simplify, it is equal to 12.3 centimeter. So height we got 12.3 centimeter. In B part we have height 15 centimeter and area 154.5 centimeter square, and we need to find out base. So first of all we will write area equal to 154.5 centimeter square, base into height equal to 154.5. We will put the value of height because it is given height 15 centimeter. Now to find out base, we will divide area with height, and it is equal to 10.3 centimeter. So here we will write it is equal to 10.3 centimeter. Let's come to now question number 4. Find the missing values. So same as here, in this question we are given area of triangle and we are to find out the missing value of base or height. So let's see first part. Here area of triangle is given 87 centimeter square and we are given base equal to 15 centimeter. We need to find out height. For that first we will write the formula, half multiply base multiply height, and that is area is given 87 centimeter square. Put the value of base, that is half, multiply 15 centimeter multiply height equal to 87 centimeter square. And to find out the value of height, we will transpose this 2 and 15 in the right hand side. So it will be 87 multiplied 2 upon 15. If we simplify, height is equal to 11.6 centimeter. So here we got the height 11.6 centimeter. In B part, we are given area of triangle, that is 1256 millimeter square, and base we need to find out. Height we are given 31.4 millimeter, and to find out base we will transpose 2 and 31.4 in the right hand side. It will be equal to 1256 multiply 2 upon 31.4. After simplify, so base value is equal to 80 millimeter. So here we will write it is equal to 80 millimeter.